Hi, welcome back to a Basbousa making video. Basbousa is a very simple at the same time very delicious Middle Eastern dessert. And so let's start with the recipe. For this we need 2 cup of rava or semolina. Yes, just this simple ingredient will create this magical recipe. Half cup of desiccated coconut and half cup of sugar. And just gently mix all these dry ingredients together. After mixing all the dry ingredients well, add half cup of oil. Here I am using sunflower oil. Then to that add half cup of milk. Most of the Middle Eastern desserts will have milk or some of the other milk components in it. To this add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And it's very simple, just mix it up until it forms a uniform paste, and then you have to start your baking process. Preheat your oven at 200 degrees Celsius and then sprinkle some desiccated coconut in the baking tray. And once you have lined your baking tray with this desiccated coconut, add your batter to this. Once you add the entire batter into the pan, just level it up so that cooking is uniform and there is no lumps in the tray. And after you add it, these are these overnight soaked almonds. You need to peel it to decorate the basbousa. Here I am dividing my basbousa in small cubes. It's easy to divide it like this before it is baked, so that once it's baked I can cut it easily. And decorate each cube with peeled almonds. And you have to bake this for 20 to 25 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. And meanwhile we have to start preparing for our sugar syrup. Here I am taking equal quantity of water and sugar, half cup of water and half cup of sugar. And when it starts boiling, just stir it lightly so that it doesn't get caramelized or there is no other string formation in it. Then squeeze a small piece of lemon, and if you like the lemon's flavor, just put the peel also in it, just like I have done. Then this is the baked warm basbousa which has come out straight from the oven. And on this hot basbousa we are going to pour our sugar syrup. Make sure you pour it when the basbousa is warm. It's a very easy Middle Eastern recipe. You can definitely try it at home. Enjoy your Eid with this simple, delicious made at home. If you like Middle Eastern recipes, surely you will love basbousa. And if you have not watched my umali recipe, do check it. That is also a very popular dish in Middle East. These are the 2 favorite dishes which I personally love having during my stay in Middle East. Do suggest me your favorite Middle Eastern recipes too, so that I can make and share them with you too. And these basbousas are very soft and crispy in nature. Outside it's really crispy and inside it's really soft, and you will surely enjoy it. Do share your feedbacks after trying the recipe. Like, share and subscribe. Bye till we meet in the next video.